Hello teachers. Now we are going to learn the project schedule from standard 1 to ninth standard. How I have scheduled. This is the concept I have sent you. Maybe somebody is having the doubts. That's the reason the growth of I can see in the Google Sheets itself only very less. So yesterday, as for yesterday checking, it was only two or three members only updated. Let me know. Let me explain to you clear picture. So the activity here: batch one, batch two, batch three, batch four, batch five, batch six. So first week, batch one will get mathematics, batch two will get science, and batch three will get it social science, batch four Kannada, batch five English, batch 6, it may be considered in Hindi. So here, very simple, I would like to say here. In week 2, batch 1 student will get science, batch 2 will get social science, and same way vice versa, I have changed it. Over 6 weeks, over 6 weeks in the sense 1.5 month project. So 1.5 month project, the child will cover completely all the subjects. And also, you may have doubt, sir. Are all subjects, if you give at a time, students can do it week wise. They can do it. Yes, it is a burden to the student, and also, of course, they have to through online what we are teaching and what how you are communicating. We must have little patience, and also our pronunciation, our communication with the students while doing online classes. It should not be harsh, and it should not be very quickly. We cannot do it. That's the reason we suggest you go ahead for. It's a completely throughout year concept. That's why when another 6 months, 6 months, 24 weeks are there. So 24 weeks itself only I have planned here. Now coming to the point, coming to the seventh standard or first standard. Let me come to the first standard here. So the first standard students here, the first week project, first week date. Okay, I will explain to you what was updated by the teachers. You can just let me take the seventh standard. What Chandan sir has done it completely here. So he has coloring also done it. How to do the coloring is here very simple only. You can go here. Okay, there is full color is there. You select, for example, if you want to select this this cell, then you can go here, select the color. Then if you want to fill it, you can fill the color. That's no for your understanding only. Okay, you can do it. Yeah. Again, I have removed it because I have used the control plus. That's why I removed. Okay, now coming to the point here. So batch one, who is the mathematics teacher? Teacher name and general science. Who is the teacher? Chiranjeevi sir, social science. Kannada Ravi sir, and English Sushma madam, and Hindi Nagalakshmi madam. The students list in batch one. Okay, Priyanka, and like that he entered that all the names in batch one. So here, to whom you already selected, accordingly only you can write according to their subjects only you can write here. And whenever you may be considered as in here, this is in batch one in the sense. Yes, of course, it is batch one students are here. Okay, no, batch one students list of batch one here. So mathematics we may consider batch one, and science is considered batch two. Like that only we have given. Accordingly only you can shift it. Not a problem at all. Okay. So which subject you have given now, that will be considered as in according to that batch. Okay, I think I am clear in that matter. Same way, if I go for the ninth standard also, Miss Ashalata madam, yes, she has completed for us. Here there is no any differentiation for the first language and second language kind of things. So altogether only we can do it the projects here. Okay, now it is only the thing is where the student is going to be do some videos and what they learned it. It may be poems, it may be story, it may be a kind of art also. They can draw it and they can make it 2 3 arts and make it to one scanning. Okay, take the photo and make it using the scanner. They can scan it and they can send the PDF copy also. Here in batch one, for example, consider batch one is Chandana and Manya and Sriti and Surya. These are all batch one students. In sense, all students what they have done it once they sent to you the message for the Hari sir what they sent it for the mathematics teacher. He has to merge, he has to download from WhatsApp, then he has to merge the things, he has to merge the things and use the power director, all the things to be merged it. Okay, now all four members what they have done, four members or five members or six members doesn't matter, so they have to merge it, you have to make it one video. Okay, colorful video, you make it, that to be published in YouTube. That's what I said to you. Okay, and one more point, my teachers listen carefully. Whatever you have uploaded in YouTube, for example, today you are uploaded third lesson. After uploading that URL, that link you can share to the students. Don't share the directly the data what you recorded. You can share that link only to the students, so that there is a two advantages in this. Students' memory, students' memory in sense, students' cell phones or whatever things they are using, tabs, whatever it is, that memory will not be affect if you send the link. Only the data will affect it. Data in the sense internet data, that will only will affect it. And the second thing is you will get more understand that whether the really students are watched or not. Means if you send that particular thing, you also can check it in your views. Okay, once on your link, once you click on that link, you will find out that how many members are viewed, how many members are view that particular concept. For example, I'll show it if it is possible, if time permits to me, I'll explain to you also how to check that thing also last. Okay, fine. So this is the way we are going to make it. And here what I have done is, okay, they have entered the first week project from 24 8 2020 to 30 8 2020. So within this date, the project to be complete. Again, you have to divide these dates. Okay, you can divide it this 3 days or 4 days. You can give the chance to the students. Means Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Maximum is Thursday by 12 o'clock. They have to complete it. The end of day, it is maybe considered. And the rest of the days in sense 2 days. 2 days you have to take the time to merge all these things. That's why you tell the students so that 2 days are buffer time only. Okay, now again, students, if they send, if you are free, you can take it. But I'm not suggesting that whether to take or not. But depend upon the student capability. If the student is a little bit slow, if you have the time, you can keep it everything ready on by Saturday or Friday or Sunday, whichever the day whichever the day you like it. So accordingly, you can plan it that day only. You can merge it and you can make the video and you can send it. So that's what my plan. Okay, coming to the another point here is yeah, here they enter the first week only. Okay, now you observe that mathematics is the first batch only here. Now here batch one, if you observe carefully, okay, batch one is remains the same only. Batch one remains, students remains the same only, but whereas subject is changed. You got my notified it. So batch one remains. That's what I have given the link of batch one mathematics is here. The students remains here only same, but whereas only what the changes are, the subjects will change. Subjects will change means now Chandana's batch what they are going to do is they will do the next week science, they will do it, and next week, and next week in the sense it may be considered the third week. If you go for the third week, okay, let me here, I'm in third week now. Okay, now you see here third week I'm in. Okay, in third week what Chandana will do is, in third week you see Chandana will do social science. And fourth week, if you see fourth week, I'm moving here, yes, fourth week is here. Yeah, fourth week, what Chandana will do is Kannada, they will do it, that batch. Okay, and fifth week, if I see here, fifth week, they will do English. They will do English, they will do it. And sixth week, if you see, sixth week is they will do Hindi. So it is 6 weeks completed, means 1.5 month project. Afterwards, they will go to the next seventh week. Seventh week, when they go again, the same it repeats. Chandana will do mathematics only. So I think I'm clear in this matter. Okay, seventh and eighth week, what they will do is what they done in the second week, eighth week, the same thing they will do. Same subject only they will do it. But again, it is a question to you. This batch, in this batch itself only, whether you have to give the same lesson and same kind of thing, in sense that's left for the teacher. Okay, the teacher can choose the concept. If the teacher want to give the one lesson only divided into different parts, for example, in the case of Kannada, you see Kannada or some language, in sense you ask the student to reading skills one child, and grammatical things one child, and poet collection or the lesson collection pictures one child, can be done it. So that is that way you can divide it. If you want to take the science subject, in science subject also one chapter maybe have subtopics. So in give the subtopics. For example, in the case of now when I observed a few cases, the, some students they can in the case of poem is there considered. In the poem, singing of the poem, that is one student can be given, and neatly drawing the diagram, drawing the chart, and writing the poem on the chart and explaining, that is one child. And other child is about the what is called the uh, poet, about the poet, some picture collections. Okay, na? So the art, that is called as an author and their biography and history it is called. So such a way you can give the projects to the students. I hope I have explained to you clearly. Okay, now coming to the point, we are in our channel that is called an ABVK group channel. In this ABVK group channel, if you see, since you are not shared the link to the students, that's the reason, for example, grade 1 Hindi Varnamala, only how many 7 hours over, okay, and there only one view is there. Okay, here 10 hours are there, 15 views are there. Here 10 hours are there. Only 10 views are there. Here 10 hours, in sense is my 10th standard teachers maybe watch this one. Okay, and 16 hours are there. One view is there, and 16 hours are there. Only one view is there. So what you are understanding, in the sense, at least students are not watching exactly that what is the particular numbers, what you are not sharing. How to share the things also I will explain to you. For example, in the case of 10th standard Hindi lesson 6. Okay, so there what is it, Basant ki Sachai. Okay, in this I clicked it. So after clicking here, what I have to do is, okay, yes, let me take it to this one. This is a share option is there. So after share option, copy here. Okay, now. So once you copy here, yeah. Once you copy here, after copying, you can go to WhatsApp. So this is the way you have to send to the students, and then all the students in a particular class definitely they can view. Then that is what the concept we have explained. So the number of views will be increased, in the sense by seeing this one, you can understand that how many members are view that particular concept. This is applicable standard 1 to 10 standard, and even nursery LKG UKG also it is applicable only. Okay, there is no matter in that. So I think my dear teachers can do the best job and cooperate with us. Thank you, one and all. Okay, have a good morning and try to be understand and do the situations. Okay, thank you, one and all.